Come test drive the 2016 Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, remote keyless entry, outside temperature gauge, backup camera, heated seats, Sirius satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, trip computer. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.